When selling your home, you want to reach as many potential buyers as possible. That's where an open house comes in. It's a scheduled event where you and your real estate agent invite the public to tour your home. It usually lasts 1 to 3 hours and is open to the public without an appointment. People who attend can explore your home at their own pace, with or without their agent. It's a low-pressure opportunity for potential buyers to get a feel for your home. An open house's biggest advantage is that it draws attention to your home. Open houses are often widely advertised to agents and people looking to buy a home. The more people who walk through your front door, the greater your chances of finding a buyer. Pictures and video can only do so much. Being physically present in your home allows buyers to imagine what it would be like to live in your home. Plus, open houses are more relaxing for buyers who might be on the fence. Of course, there are drawbacks to consider. Open houses can be hectic. A crowd showing up all at once to tour your home can make it difficult for buyers to focus and ask detailed questions. Another downside is that not everyone who attends will be a serious buyer. You might end up with nosy neighbors or people who are just looking for design ideas. Finally, an open house is a lot of work. You'll need to declutter, clean, stage your home, as well as vacate it during the event. There's also some safety concerns, such as the risk of theft, which means you'll need to take some precautions. In the end, hosting an open house is something to discuss with your real estate agent. They can offer personalized advice based on your situation. But generally speaking, an open house can be a great marketing tactic. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your home selling journey.